Hello everybody, my name is Waqas Khalid, games, web and Android developer. I have 13 plus years of experience in this field and I have worked for some well-known organizations. I am also have proficient knowledge of 3D modeling, animations, character design, graphic design, video editing and some more. This channel is dedicated for English viewers, as I also have another channel named Incern where I have video courses for Urdu and Hindi viewers. Also, here our main focus will be at game development. By searching the web, I found that the most common problem of students is from where to begin, which game engine to use, which language to use, or where to start from. So from this platform I am going to launch my first playlist or course for absolute beginners. This first playlist will teach you about graphics, how to use Unity game engine, how Unity works, how we can code, how we can organize things, and finally how to build and publish our game at different platforms. There are some popular game engines like Unreal, Godot, and my favorite, Unity. Unity is so much more than the world's best real-time development platform. It's also a robust ecosystem designed to enable your success. You can join Unity's dynamic community of creators so can tap into what you need to achieve your vision. Unity use C# language, and C# is very fast language as compared to others, so working in Unity is fun. One more beautiful feature of Unity is asset store. Jump start your project and get to finish line faster with an ever-growing catalog of free and paid assets and tools. Another beautiful feature of Unity is its documentation. Get up to speed on Unity features and workflows and find out how to create and use scripts with Unity's thorough, well-organized documentation. At the end, Unity has a great forum where you can post your questions and you will be answered by the great developers around the world. So that's it as per the game development. In this channel, we will also learn about web development, animation, character design, graphic design, video editing and much more. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.